How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Hockman Fabrication. Today we have a reoccurring customer that the husband and wife have a nice set of drag cars that they can bring back and forth to us to get occasional work done. This is the husband's car. Last time that it was in here, it had a black painted quarter panel, and now he's gotten some pinstriping done and a lot of custom work. But today we are adding period correct back pressure for the crankcase. So on a modern car, you're more familiar with having catch cans and systems of that nature, whereas on these older muscle cars, they have these back pressure systems to where it's gonna get welded into the side of the collect like this. There's a little hole in the back to let pressure escape, and then where the breather is on the top of the valve cover, there's going to be a line that connects from here to the top, and then that will allow the exhaust to create a vacuum, pulling all of the fumes and vapors and such, and then let them escape through the exhaust. So it allows the pressure to be relieved off of the crankcase, and it's more of a period correct style of going about it, and we're going to make it happen. Right now, we are finishing running the vacuum lines for the crankcase ventilation system. We've got that line is going to go directly down to the driver's side header. This side is going to go down straight to the passenger side header due to the drag racing specifications that this customer is going to be doing. Right now, I'm just trimming a couple zip ties that hold the line to the chassis, and then you guys can take a look at the extensions that I welded on. But overall, it's pretty much the job done. Just gotta trim these hoses, reclamp them, and I'm done. So, we have got our lines coming down from the valve cover. They're going to get clamped to these extensions coming off of the runners. That way there's a slight hole in the backside, so that way it allows pressure to escape from the crankcase. But we got them welded up, we got some sealant on here, and got these tightened down. The top side connections are finished. I am just going to finish running this hose in a way that looks nice and connect it. Same thing on this side. Just trim it down the length, and then she's coming right here. So we'll be back in about 10 minutes when it's all done, and you guys can see the finished product.
That's pretty much it for today's video. We hope you guys enjoyed it. If you found this helpful, be sure to hit like, and if you want to see more of this in the future, be sure to subscribe. If you hit the notification bell, it'll let you know as soon as we post something new. Look forward to seeing you in the next one.